let's get started with reviewing our 2 chords. So we have our first chord, which is the C chord. The C chord is made with your first finger pressing down on the middle string, the 2nd string, and making sure that we pinch to our thumb through the neck of the guitar, right here on the 1st fret. Let's do a sound check. Play each string one time. Do you hear them all ringing out? Yeah. If this is challenging, that's okay. These songs are made to help you get better at these chords. Then we play a G7. It's different than a regular G chord, which is played on the 3rd fret normally. We're playing a little bit more of a folky blues chord with a G7. And notice that it's very similar to the C chord, right? We're playing the C on the middle string, but the G7 we're playing on the 1st string, the thinnest string. And that's also on the 1st fret. That's right, that's a soundtrack beat. How's your sound check? Mary Had a Little Lamb, Do You Know the Muffin Man, and The Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round are all the same cadences and the same strumming. So let's use Mary Had a Little Lamb. Guess what we're starting with? That's right, we're starting with a C. Good job, beat. We've got Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Okay, that was really fast. Beat, are you okay? Are you tired? That was really fast, but I wanted to show you how that cadence goes. Here we go. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was C for 8 beats, then G7 for 4, and then back to C for 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it repeats, or we play the exact same 4 bars over again, right? I had to count there for a second. Yeah, it is 4 bars. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we repeat all of that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're following along with beat, notice that beat just went back to the beginning and went through the same cadence twice for the whole song. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. That's pretty cool. So we're learning in music that we've got patterns, we've got little cycles that happen over and over again. Now, magically, this is Mary Had a Little Lamb, Do You Know the Muffin Man, and The Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. Play around with it, I promise you it's all 3 songs. Thank you for joining us at Loog Nation. If you like what you watch, please hit the subscribe button so that you can find more videos that we make and help you play the Loog. And if you're just starting and this is a little overwhelming or maybe too much at first, check out our level 1 classes that I'm going to be dropping in YouTube very soon. They're going to be step-by-step ways of getting you used to your instrument, strumming, counting, and at the end, you'll get a certificate. So, thanks so much. Again, I'm Mr. Will, and this is Loog Nation. See you next time.